boys watch the girls while the girls watch the boys who watch the girls go by. Eye to eye, they solemnly convene to make this scene, which is the name of the game. Watch the guy, watch the dame on any street in town. Up and down and over and across, romance is the boss. Guys talk and girls talk, it happens everywhere. Eyes watch and girls walk, pretend to love and care. He keeps on track of the pack, watching them, watching back, and watch the world go round. What's that sound? Each time you hear a loud collective sigh, they're making music to watch girls by. Well, hi there pluckers, I have a sore fingers again with you. The real classic brain twister for you. Classic song from Andy Williams, of course, from way back when, and a song called Music to Watch Girls By. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Andy Williams originally did the song in. Okay, so this one is quite rapid. Okay, but you know, practice makes perfect. What you heard me play there was basically a verse and a chorus, and basically it just repeats more of the same with some different words. Okay, so let's get to it. So it starts off with a single note, the 4th fret of the A string, C sharp, and I just do it. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think on the record there's 8, but for keeping the time down, I just did 4. So if you want to do 8, please do 8, but I did 4. And you go into the intro, which is a rundown from F sharp minor. The way I suggest you might like to play it is barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret, and then the 3rd finger goes up to the 4th string on the 4th fret. Okay, and what we got a little run, so it's like 4. You play 4, 3, 2, and back to 4. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 4. Then what you do is you lower the 4th string down to the 3rd fret using your 2nd finger, and you repeat the 4, 3, 2, 4. So we got a slight visitor there. Okay, so we've got this. That's a partial F augmented. Okay, then we do the same thing again, and we make a sort of like a lazy A shape. Just bar 2nd fret with your 1st finger of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, and this is a partial F sharp minor 7, and you do the same again, 4, 3, 2, 4. So now you've got this. Okay, and finally the final chord is this. My 1st finger is now moving down to the 1st fret on the 4th string, and my 3rd finger is barring the 2nd fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string, and it's the same thing, except you don't go back to the 4th string. You just do 4, 3, 2, because you haven't got time really. The timing's a bit critical on this. So now you've got this. So the whole intro then is. And then you just repeat the whole thing on the F sharp minor rundown and start singing. Okay, so I'll just get that up to the 1st line for you. Okay, so. The boys watch the girls while the girls watch the boys who make... Oh, sorry, let's do that again. The boys watch the girls while the girls watch the boys who watch the girls go by is probably a G sharp 7 in this particular key. 4th fret major shape, bar chord with pinky off. Okay. A flat 7th or G sharp 7th, which way you want to call it. Okay, 4th fret, major shape, bar chord, pinky off. So now we've got this from the beginning. The boys watch the girls while the girls watch the boys who watch the girls go by. Got that so far? Then we go to a B minor bar chord. Simple B minor would be okay, but preferably a B minor bar chord. And that's eye to eye. Eye to eye. They solemnly convene is back to the G sharp 7th or A flat 7th. And then we go to a D flat 7th or a C sharp 7th. I play it like that myself, so it's like a C7 up 1 fret, and I'm muting the bottom E string, so when I strum it I don't hear the bottom E string, so I'm muting the bottom E string, and this first finger is leant over muting the top E string. Top E string muted, bottom E string muted, strike the chord, and you're basically playing 5 down to 2. Okay, that's one way you can play it. Or from the G sharp 7th or A flat 7th, you could do that. Keeping the bar on the 4th fret, you put your 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the 4th string and pinky on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. That's also a C sharp or D flat 7. Okay, so let's do the whole thing from the start, slowly. Watch the girls while the girls watch the boys who watch the girls go by. Eye to eye, they solemnly convene to make the scene. And then just basically repeats the whole thing again, which is the name of the game. Watch the guy, watch the dame on the street in town. Up and down and over and across, romance's boss. Now that chord could be played like that, like I've said. Okay, there's 2 different ways you could play that. C sharp 7th. I like to play it like that, but you could play it like that. Okay, so are you happy with that so far? So let's do the whole thing again, very slowly. Watch the girls while the girls watch the boys who watch the girls go by. Eye to eye, they solemnly convene to make the scene. Repeat, which is the name of the game. Watch the guy, watch the dame on any street in town. Up and down and over and across, romance's boss. Now we go into like the bridgey or pre-chorus bit, if you like, and it goes to F sharp 7. So from that C sharp 7, whichever one you're doing, that one or that one, you go to an F sharp 7 for guys talk. Okay, it's guys talk. Okay, so that's an F sharp major chord, 2nd fret bar chord with pinky off. Same chord as the G sharp 7th, but down 2 frets, 2nd fret. Okay, guys talk. Then we go to a B minor, girls talk. E7, that's an E chord without the 3rd finger, open 4th string. It happens every A. Where? Then we go back to the C sharp 7 again, whichever way, that one or that one. Eyes watch. To an F sharp minor, girls walk. Up to the G sharp 7th with gender love in C sharp 7th again. Care. Right, so this middle bit again, F sharp 7, guys talk, B minor, girls talk, E7. It happens every A where C sharp 7th, eyes watch, F sharp minor, girls walk, G sharp 7th or A flat 7th with tender loving, C sharp 7th again, or that one, with loving care. Right, so let's go through the whole thing slowly, very slowly, okay? The boys watch the girls while the girls watch the boys who watch the girls go by. Eye to eye, they solemnly convene to make the scene, which is the name of the game. Watch the guy, watch the dame on any street in town. Up and down and over and across, romance is boss. Guys talk, girls talk, it happens everywhere. Eyes watch, girls walk, with tender loving care. And then another verse, okay, another rundown on the F sharp minor. Is keeping track of the pack, watching them, watching back, there's a world go round. What's that sound? Each time you hear a loud collective sigh, they're making music to which goes by. And the only thing different is that at the end of the verse, where it goes, what's that sound? Each time you hear a loud collective sigh. Now it comes to a different bit. They're making music to go back. That's F sharp minor. They're making music to B minor. Watch girls back to F sharp minor. Right.